Hello there, this is Smart Penguins. In this video, we'll introduce our new game template. This template is not perfect, but you can use it to get some ideas for your game or see how some of the things are working. There's a link in the description of where you can download the template. Now let's look how we have scenes set up. Our start scene has a motorcycle. Our platform is made out of squares. The two squares that we use here are a top square and a ground square. Our scene 1 has our jump, and in this scene we introduce coins that you can collect. Scene 2 has a valley, and scene 3 has a loop. If you want to add more coins, you can just duplicate the coins and place them where you want them. In our gap, we use an empty object that we have collision group set as enemy, so if the player starts falling through the gap, we could trigger a game over. Let's go back to our start scene. Let's take a quick look how our motorcycle is set up. We use the motor system that is provided by Buildbox, and how that works is we have a body and we have two wheels that are linked to the body. In case you don't know how to link objects together, you select two objects and you go in their outliner, click add, and there's option for link selected. A linker gets created, and inside that linker you can change what type it is, point, fixed, or hinge. We have it set up at hinge, and we set Z for hinge axis. The position of the linker is in the middle of our wheel, so that our wheel would rotate around that point. Our wheel object is made up of just one animation, and we have physics set up to use a collision-shaped cylinder, and we decrease the mass to 0.2 so that the proportion of wheel mass to body would feel more realistic. The body has the controllers inside it. We have two ways of controlling the motorcycle. You can use a UI button, which is the right side of the screen, or a D key to go forward. And to go forward, we use a motor node. How a motor node works is you provide a linker name of a link that you want to control, and you set motor velocity to control the speed. So we have motor velocity in forward set to -60, and velocity to backwards we have set to 20. The controls for going back is either key A or left side of the UI screen. We have two animations, which is the motorcycle body and the penguin. Also, we have two if collide nodes. One is to listen for if the penguin collides with a platform, and the other one is to listen if the motorcycle collides with our enemy. If we get any of those collisions, we trigger an event game over. And last thing we have is our coin. A coin just has two hexagon animations, one smaller than the other one, and we have if collide node that adds coins and removes the object. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, write in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more new videos.